The solid lines will represent the equations and the solution set is the intersection of these two solid lines. If the inequality is greater than or equal to, then the feasible region is away from the origin. X is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 means non-negative restrictions. So the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important concept, that is finding the solution of system of linear equation by graphical method. So let us come to this. First, solving the following system of linear equation in two variables. So to solve the system of linear equations in two variables like x and y by graphical method. This is very simple and very easiest problem, and also very important for the point of examination. Definitely we will get 1 4 marks question from this. Now let us come to the first problem. Solve graphically. X is greater than or equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2. Very simple here. What is given here? X is the inequality, x is greater than or equal to 3, which implies just this inequality is converted into equality, that is x is equal to 3. Another inequality, what is this? Y is greater than or equal to 2 implies y is equal to 2. So these are the two inequalities. So x is greater than or equal to 3 implies x is equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2 implies y is equal to 2. Now let us represent these values on a graph. So let us take a suitable scale. This is x-axis, y-axis and the origin. The scale, let us consider a suitable scale. 1 unit is equal to 1. 1 unit is equal to, here the value of each unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now what is given here? X is greater than or equal to 3. That is, x is equal to 3 and greater than 3. This is the line. X is greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than 3. Okay. Now just write a line like this. Next, y is equal to 2. Where is y is equal to 2? Here y is equal to 1 and 2. This is y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. So all the lines greater than 2, y is greater than 2 and the value of x which is greater than 3 is here it will comes. Okay. This is the solution set. That's it. So how to represent the solution set? So these are the solution set. Okay. So the solid lines will represent the equations and the solution set is the intersection of these two solid lines. That is, this is the solution set. That's it. And this region is called as the feasible region. This is the feasible region for the given inequality. That's it. See here. So x is greater than or equal to 3 means x is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, x is equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2, that is y is equal to 2 above this. So all the values in the first quadrant greater than x is greater than 3 and y is greater than 2 comes here. This is called the feasible region and the intersection of these two lines will give the feasible region. That's it. Okay. The shaded region will give the intersection region, that is the shaded region will give the feasible region and that region will give the solution for the given linear inequality by graphical method. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Right. Now let us come to the next point, next problem. Now solve graphically. X plus y is less than or equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. Now let us convert these inequalities into equalities first. What are the equations are given? Now the given equations are x plus y is equal to 6. Another equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now let us put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, then this becomes 0 plus y is 6 So therefore, let us consider it as a 0 comma 6 is the first point. Now similarly put y is equal to 0 in the same equation. What you will get? X plus 0 is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. So therefore, the other point is 6 comma 0. These are the 2 points. Similarly, let us consider this equation. X plus y is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 0, then you will get y is equal to 4. The point C is equal to 0 comma 4. Again put y is equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to 4. Therefore, the point D is equal to 4 comma 0. These are the corner points. These are the points. Now let us represent them in a graph. That's it. Now this is x-axis, y-axis and the origin. Now let us write the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take suitable scale on x-axis and y-axis. Scale on x-axis and y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Right. Now what are the points? Let us represent these points. Now what is the first point? A 0 comma 6. A 0 and y is 6. A 0 1. This is 0. Y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 0 comma 6. And similarly B. So B 6 comma 0. X is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is B 6 comma 0. Now let us join these 2 points by a straight line. So this is the line AB. So the solid line for this line, that is, what is this equation? X plus y, which is less than or equal to 6. If the inequality is less than or equal to, means the feasible region is towards the origin. That is because if you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, x is 0 and y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then what happens? 0 plus 0, which is less than 6. 0 is less than 6. So definitely it is true. Therefore 0 is less than 6 is true. Therefore the shaded region is towards the origin. Now on the other hand, let us come to the second curve. What are the points? So the point C is equal to 0 comma 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. C 0 comma 4. And another point D 4 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point D 4 comma 0. Now let us join these 2 points to get the, this is the curve point, that is for the curve x plus y. This is for x plus y, which is greater than or equal to 4. So x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So if the inequality is greater than or equal to, then the feasible region is away from the origin, that is to away from the origin. Okay, right. So this region will give the feasible region, and the feasible region is, this is the feasible region. So this lines indicates the feasible region for the given linear inequalities. That's it. This is the feasible region. Feasible region. Okay, that's it. This is how we are going to draw the graph for the given inequality, that is x plus y is less than or equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. Hope you followed. Okay, very simple. Now let us come to the next problem. Same type, solve graphically. X plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 2, and x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 means non-negative restrictions. So the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. All positive while x is greater than or equal to 0 indicates that the feasible region lies in the first quadrant, non-negative restriction. Same as usual, solve this. What are the given inequalities? Convert the given inequalities into equalities. X plus 3y is equal to 3. Another one is 2x plus y is equal to 2. Just write down the points and draw the solid lines for these 2 lines, AB and BC. Just find out the feasible region. That's it. Now, let us put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 0, comma 1. If you put y is equal to 0, then x plus 3y, x is equal to 3. Therefore, the point B is equal to x is 3, y is 0, 3, comma 0, x, comma y. Now, if you put again x is equal to 0 for this, y is equal to 2, therefore the point C is equal to 0, comma 2. Similarly, substitute the value of y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then this is 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, other point D is equal to 1, comma 0. So, these are the points. Now, let us draw the line for this. Let us represent these points on a graph by taking a suitable scale. Okay. Now, let us represent these points on a graph by taking a suitable scale. Now, let us draw the lines. X-axis, this is x-axis, and y-axis. This is the origin 0, comma 0. Now, let us take x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, what is the first point? A is 0, comma 1. When x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. This is A, 0, comma 1. And next point B. What is B? 3, comma 0. When x is 3, 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 0. This is the point B, 3, comma 0. Now, just draw a solid line from representing this AB. Just draw a line which passes through A and B. So, what is the condition given? X plus 3y. X plus 3y is greater than or equal to 3. So, greater than or equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is 0 plus 0, which is greater than or equal to 3 is not true, which is not true. Therefore, the feasible region is away from the origin, that is in the upward direction. This x plus here, x plus y is greater than or equal to 3. So, the feasible region is away from the origin for greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, for the second equation, what is the second equation? C, 0, comma 2, x is 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. This is 0, comma 2, point C. And another point D. What is D? 1, comma 0. So, x is 1, y is 0. This is D, 1, comma 0. Now, just draw a line. This is the line, 1, comma 0. What is this curve? X, 2x plus y, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means this is again away from the origin. So, the feasible region you are going to get is, this is the feasible region. So, the feasible region is, this is the feasible region. Feasible region for this. That's it. This is how we are going to draw the, this is unbounded region. That's it. Okay. And the feasible region lies in the first quadrant, that is x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, which is in the first quadrant. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed, right? So, here the shaded region will give the intersection of the solution set. That's it, right? That is, the shaded region of the feasible solution is the intersection of the solution set. Now, let us come to the next one, the next fourth problem. Problem number 4. 3x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6 and x plus 4y is less than or equal to 4, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. That means this is also, the feasible region is in the first quadrant. X is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0 means it lies in the first quadrant. Now, let us convert this inequalities into equalities. That is 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now, if you put x is equal to 0, then what you will get? 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 3 is 2. The first point we are going to get is a 0, comma 2. Similarly, put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 0 plus 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3, that's also equal to 2. So, the other point B is equal to 2, comma 0. The first point A 0, comma 2 and second point B 2, comma 0. Similarly, consider the second equation, x plus 4y is equal to 4. X plus 4y is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 0, you will get 4y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 by 4 is 1. The point C is equal to x is 0, y is 1. Similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, then what happens? This x plus 0 is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. Therefore, the point D is equal to 4 comma 0. Now, represent these points A, B, C, D on the graph. So, write on the solid lines AB and AB as well as CD. Now, this is the graph. This is x-axis, y-axis and the origin. Now, just what is the maximum value we have? Plus 4. So, and 6, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let us take the first point. What is A? 0, comma 2. Right. And second point B, 2, comma 0. 0, x is 0, y is 2. This is A, 0, comma 2. Another point B, what is B? 2, comma 0. X is 2, y is 0. 2, comma 0. Now, just draw a solid line representing the curve x plus 3x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. This is the solid line. So, this is for the curve 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. See here, if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then what happens? 0 plus 0 is 0, which is less than or equal to 6 is true. Therefore, the feasible region is towards the origin. So, it will comes in the downwards direction like this. Okay. Now, let us come to the next point. What is the point C? C is equal to 0, comma 1. If x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, x is 0, y is equal to 1. This is C, 0, comma 1. D, 4, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, x is 4 and this is D, 4, comma 0. Now, join C to D. Draw the solid line for C and D. This is the solid line for C and D. What is this line? So, x plus 4y, x plus 4y is equal to 4. Now, since this is also less than or equal to 0, hence the feasible region is, this is the feasible region, that is towards the downward. This is the feasible region, that is the solution set. Okay. Now, the shaded region is the feasible region, which is the intersection of the solution set. So, this is how we are going to solve this linear inequality. Now, let us take one more problem. Now, let us come to this problem. Solve graphically. 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12 and 4x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. Now, let us convert these inequalities into equalities first. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and 4x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. Now, if you put x is equal to 0, then what you will get? 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 4, that's equal to 3. Therefore, the first point A is equal to 0, comma 3. Similarly, put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, what you will get? 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. X is also equal to 12 by 3, that's equal to 4. So, the second point B is equal to 4, comma 0. Right. Now, let us come to the second line, second curve. 4x plus y is equal to 8. Put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. Therefore, C is equal to 0, comma 8. Similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, if you put y is equal to 0, what you will get? 4x plus 0 is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 4 is 2. So, the point D is equal to 2, comma 2, comma 0. 2, comma 0. These are the points. So, what are the points we got? A 0, comma 3, B 0, comma 4, comma 0 and C 0, comma 8 and D 2, comma 0. Let us represent this on a graph. Now, A 0, comma 3 and B 4, comma 0. Similarly, C, what is C? 0, comma 8 and D 2, comma 0. Okay. Now, let us represent this on a graph. X-axis, origin, y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What is the first point? A, 0, comma 3. Now, Let us take A, 0, comma, A is 0, Y is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is A, 0, comma, 3. Another point B, what is B? 4, comma, 0. X is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, comma, 0. Now, just draw a straight line from A to B. Just draw a line, that is solid line. So, AB, a solid line is drawn like this. So, what is the curve actually? This is 3x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. So, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Since greater than 12 means, if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, which is not greater than or equal to 12 is not true. 0 is greater than 12 is not true. So, therefore, the feasible region is away from the origin, that is in this direction. Next, second curve. What is the second curve? C is equal to 0, comma 8. X is 0, y is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is C, 0, comma 8. Next, D, 2, comma 0. This is 2, comma 0. Now, draw the line. If you draw solid line passing through this, this is the solid line. That is, what is the curve? 4x plus y. 4x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. So, again greater than or equal to means the feasible region is away from the origin. So, that means this is the solution set. This is the feasible region. That is unbounded region. This is the feasible region for the curve. That's it. Okay. So, here this is the shaded region. This shaded region will give the solution. Means the shaded region is the feasible region and which is the intersection of the solution set. That's it. This is how we are going to solve the system of equations graphically given linear inequalities by graphical method. Hope you follow. So, these type of problems are very important. You may expect one question from this for 4 marks. Very important, very simple type problem. Hope you followed all these type of problem, right? So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.